Hey guys, welcome back. During the work, sometime project window, your source window or timeline can be closed. Or if you cannot find the timeline, project or source window or program window, anything, just like I'm closing the project window, right click and close the panel. I'm going to timeline and right click, close the panel. Now how can we bring it back? Just go to window, go to project and select the project. See, now again go to window, come to timeline and select timeline. It is back. Now if you want to save this workspace, just go to window, come to workspace and come save as a new workspace. Give your workspace name and hit OK. Just like mine, it is my workspace. In this way, you can save your own workspace. We are done. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in the next video.